Forget the vague advice. Here's a real step-by-step method to earn your first $50, $200 online, even if you're a complete beginner. You only need one simple skill. Here are the easiest ones beginners learn in a day. YouTube thumbnail design, caption writing, short video editing, logo designing, script writing. Pick one, literally anything. Go to YouTube and search how to make YouTube thumbnails or CapCut short editing tutorial. Watch one 10, 20-minute tutorial. Practice 2 to 3 times. Now you're ready to take your first client. To get clients, you need proof. So create 3 sample projects, 3 thumbnails, 3 edited short videos, 3 captions, whatever your skill is. Now go to Fiverr or Upwork. Create an account. Upload your 3 samples. Write a simple description like, "I'll design professional YouTube thumbnails for $10. Beginners get clients because the demand is huge. Search for thumbnail design, short video editing, beginner friendly. Apply to 10 jobs every day. Your first job will pay $10-30. Do a good job, and clients keep coming back. Your first client leads to your first $10-30. 3 to 5 clients, that's your first $100. Do this consistently, and people turn it into $500, $2,000 per month. This is the simplest and fastest way to actually earn money online in 2025. If you want me to make a full Fiverr or Upwork tutorial step by step, comment tutorial.